Hi, today I am going to show you how to fix high ping spike during video play or live streaming or particularly gaming. So to fix this problem in wireless, if you are using Wi-Fi, this uh, code is going to fix your problem. So go to CMD and run as administrator and copy this code. Before that, you have to replace it with your Wi-Fi name. So in my case, it is Wi-Fi, and then copy this paste it here. So you see auto configuration has been disabled on internet. If you get this reply, then this code is gonna work for you, and you will see significant improvement in your ping. So if this works for you, please let me know. Thanks.